Hello everyone, in today's video we're taking a look into another passive income crypto project. Today we are looking into NodePay. So what is NodePay? NodePay is a decentralized platform that allows users to earn passive income by leveraging their unused internet bandwidth. It's very similar to other applications we have already discussed on the channel. Just like Grass and Lanify, NodePay is an extension that runs on your Google Chrome or Opera or your preferred browser, and it only uses a small amount of your bandwidth. So NodePay transforms your unused internet into a valuable asset by selling it to AI companies. Just like I said before, it's very similar to Grass and Lanify. They also do the same thing. And this process helps AI training by enabling efficient transfer of public data, model sharing, and remote distributed training. Getting started with NodePay is very simple. First, you'll need to create an account. I will leave the link in the description. After that, just go to the web store and download the NodePay extension. After the extension has been installed, just log into your account and then just keep your device connected and you'll be earning. I will also do a quick setup guide. If you need help with anything or if you have any issues, as always, you can join the DeepIn Central Discord and leave me a message and I will try to help you. I will also leave the link in the description. As I said, the first step is creating an account. Just click the link in the description, enter your email, username and password. You can also use my referral code and that way I will get a bonus, so I would appreciate if you could use the code. After you have created an account, you can just enter the web store from Google Chrome or from your browser and just click the install button on the NodePay extension. You can click on add extension and after a few seconds you'll get a message that the extension has been installed. It's very simple. After the extension has been installed, just click on the extension. You will see it in the top right corner of your screen. After you click on NodePay, you will get three options: login, forget password, or register. So just press login. Here, just enter your email or username and password. After you log in the extension, your dashboard should look something like this. You will see your network quality, you'll see your daily earnings, you will also see the total earnings, and in the future it will also have missions. It's a great way to earn more. You can also invite users to get a bonus. You can see that for every user you invite, you will get 100 points. This is a super early project. They don't even have a white paper. The token is not out yet. To get the most earnings, be sure to stay connected. For example, use the extension on a Node computer that you can leave on 24/7. You can also refer friends to earn more. If you can, use a wire connection because your network score will be higher. And do not use a VPN because if you use a VPN, you will probably be banned. And also, you can only have one node for each IP address. So NodePay offers a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income just by using a little bit of your unused internet. For today, that was the video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, as always, you can join the DeepIn Central Discord. I will leave the link in the description. If you need help, just leave me a message there. Thank you a lot for watching and goodbye.